So for my ed technology, I decided to look farther into Wolfram Alpha, which is a computational intelligence, as you can see by the title. I first found out about it through one of my calculus courses. We would just put in equations or integrals that we wanted to calculate under here, and it would show the answer and provide steps. But through this project, I've realized that this tool does a lot more. So we're going to explore a little bit about what that does. One of the really cool features that I found is this random button right here. And if you click it, it just takes you to information about a random topic. So here we went to an 8-pointed star, and it shows you just the input of the data that you inquired, and then definitions, different ways to show it, lots of math. And then, yeah, all the different properties and aspects of this one thing. And then we can click it again. Topaz. So now we're going into science, and shows all the different aspects and compounds of it, and shows a Wikipedia summary, as you can see here. One more, see if we get a different topic. Yeah, Plymouth Neon Fuel Economy information. So as you can see, there's a very wide variety of things that you can inquire on this website, and it has a lot of really good information on all of them. So if you go back to the home page, you can inquire a lot of different topics simply by clicking on the categories and looking deeper into those if you don't have a specific question. For example, if we go into mathematics, we can go into calculus and analysis, like what I first found out about it from. And like I said, with integrals, you can click on an example here, and it computes it for you on the spot, and then shows the problem, the solution, and then it has a step-by-step right here that you can click, and it shows even more details. And then you have the option to go pro to see more, but it usually shows you enough. And then if you go down, you can see all the different variations of the way that this can be shown. There's all the steps loading in. And yeah, so then we can go back, and you can keep going through all the different topics within the calculus and analysis category, and just really provides a lot of information and a variety of things within one aspect, so that way you can learn really in depth about whatever topic. Even if you don't know exactly what you need to learn, you can master all the different topics. And then you can go through all the different other ones, such as science and technology, society and culture, and everyday life. And you can see even beyond the topics they have on the main page, it goes way beyond into things that I would never have even thought. Like, it discusses hobbies and get information about family relationship, I guess, is one of them. Yeah, it shows different genealogical trees, and yeah, there's a lot of information that you could just go on this website and search for hours to learn things that you didn't even know you needed to know. And yeah, it's a very, very cool website. It gets all of its information from, it goes expert level resources, and they programmed it to be able to look into things on its own computer, on its own, with AI intelligence. And it just has a really good platform of expert level knowledge that it references and computes for basically anything you could think of. As you can see, it says right here, compute expert level answers using Wolfram's breakthrough algorithms knowledge and AI technology. That's basically what I just said, just put a little bit better. And yes, that's a basic example of how to use Wolfram Alpha. You can use it to type in exactly what you want to know up in the search bar, or you can just explore and learn things more in depth through these different categories. Thank you.